महासंकटी सोडिले देव जेणे प्रतापे बळे आगळा सर्वगुणे जयाते स्मरे शैलजाशूलपाणि नुपेक्षी कदा रामदासाभिमानी. This powerful shloka highlights the limitless grace and strength of Shri Ram, the divine protector who rescues devotees even from the gravest crisis. The verse reminds us that Rama's valor, power, and virtues are unmatched, making him supreme amongst all divine qualities. The shloka further emphasizes Rama's universal reverence. Even Lord Shiva, along with Parvati, constantly remembers and worships him. This illustrates Rama's spiritual greatness, acknowledged across all realms and deities. At its heart, the verse reassures devotees that Rama never neglects those who surrender with devotion and humility. Just as he stood firmly by his greatest devotee Hanuman, Rama remains eternally loyal to all who seek refuge in him. The core message is faith in Lord Rama removes fear, overcomes obstacles, and guarantees divine protection, especially in times of deep sankat or crisis. अहल्या शळा राघवे मुक्त केली पदी लागता दिव्य होऊन गेली जया वर्णिता क्षीणली वेदवाणी नुपेक्षी कदा रामदासाभिमानी. This shloka highlights the transformative power of devotion and divine grace. It recalls the moment when Bhagwan Shri Ram liberated Ahalya, who had been cursed into a stone. The instant she touched Rama's feet, she was freed and regained her divine form. This single act symbolizes how true surrender can dissolve even the deepest karmic bondage. The verse further declares that Rama's greatness is so vast that even the Vedas grow weary describing his glory. His compassion is limitless, his power unmatched, and his love for devotees unwavering. The concluding line reassures seekers that Rama never neglects those who surrender to him with devotion and humility. Spiritually, this shloka teaches that no soul is beyond redemption. No matter how hardened one's past may be, a moment of sincere faith can bring complete inner transformation. Rama stands as the eternal protector of his devotees, firmly devoted to those who remain devoted to him. वसे मेरुमान्दार हे सृष्टिलीला शशि सूर्यताराङ्गणे मेघमाला चिरंजीव केले जनीदास दोन्ही नुपेक्षी कदा रामदासाभिमानी. This shloka beautifully presents Bhagwan Shri Ram as the divine power behind the entire cosmic order. It describes how majestic elements like Mount Meru, Mandara, the sun, moon, stars, and cloud formations exist as part of his divine creation. This verse reminds us that the universe is not random, but a carefully sustained cosmic play or leela guided by the Supreme. The shloka further highlights Rama's deep compassion towards his devotees. By granting immortality through remembrance, he makes his devoted servants eternal in the hearts of humanity. True devotees live on, not merely through physical existence, but through spiritual legacy and divine grace. At its core, this verse emphasizes unwavering devotion. Rama never ignores those who surrender to him with true love and faith. उपेक्षी कदा रामरूपीयसेना जीवा मानवा निश्चयो तो वसेना श्री भारवाहेन बोले पुराणी नुपेक्षी कदा रामदासाभिमानी. This shloka conveys a powerful spiritual truth. Bhagwan Ram never ignores his devotees, yet many humans fail to hold this certainty firmly in their hearts. The verse highlights a contrast between divine compassion and human doubt. While Rama's grace is ever present, people often remain unaware or unconvinced due to ego, distraction, or lack of faith. The line referring to ancient scriptures reminds us that this truth is not new. It has been repeatedly affirmed in sacred texts and traditions. The imagery of bearing a burden on the head symbolizes how humans carry worldly worries, forgetting that surrender to Rama lightens all burdens. At its core, this shloka teaches unshakable devotion and inner conviction. A true devotee knows that Rama, who takes pride in his servants, never neglects those who remember him with faith. The message encourages readers to replace doubt with trust and to live with confidence in divine grace. हसे हो जयान्तरी भाव जैसा वसे हो तया अंतरी देव तैसा अनन्यास रक्षित से चापपाणि नुपेक्षी कदा रामदासाभिमानी. This shloka teaches a profound spiritual truth. The divine reflects the devotee's inner state. Whatever emotion, faith, or intention a person carries within, the same presence of God manifests in their heart. When devotion is pure and focused, the divine presence becomes living and real within the seeker. The verse also highlights the power of Ananya Bhakti, unwavering, single-minded devotion. Such devotees are personally protected by Rama, symbolized here as the one who holds the bow. This protection is not merely physical but spiritual, guarding the devotee from fear, doubt, and inner conflict. The concluding line reinforces a recurring assurance. Bhagwan Ram never neglects those who take pride in being his servants. Sincere devotion guarantees divine care.